So hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel with another new video. So guys, today we discuss about renter insurance. Renter insurance is not something many are aware of. After all, it is but a temporary arrangement until you buy your own home or have to shift due to some reason. And the first question that comes to your mind is if it's is really necessary and worth your time and energy. You may even feel that as your landlord would insure his property anyway, why you should bear this additional expense. But what about your belongings and valuable in the house? Yes, it might appear like a furtive beast at first, but this particular indemnification can actually draw the fine line between losing everything your possesses and getting back on your feet. It's flash when misfortune strikes as you. Let us explore the concept of renter insurance and coverage you can avail. Coverage for individual assets. If an unforeseen catastrophe like fire, theft, or some other grave mishap occur in your rented house, apartment, this cover can be your angel, not a disguise. Landlord will only issue his building and nothing else. It will help you recover or replace all your personal valuable furniture, electrical or mechanical appliances, garment, and even item of everyday use. Majority of tenants leave buying home contents cover to another time, as they feel that they don't have stuff to warrant this extra expense. But it can be shocking just how much you dent it can make in your saving to replace inevitable item you have gathered over the years. Once you calculate, there is bounded to be more than expected digits in the final figure. To decide broad figure of value for your belongings, do the old-fashioned way of combing through every room and making a list. You can strike them off when you revise the inventory a second time. It is not enough that you can entail the large ticket articles such as your TV, washing machine, iPhone and so on, but also the seemingly small or insignificant items such as garment, untouched curtain, bicycles, etc. Based on the home insurance policy you choose, there is usually a limit to money you can collect per claim for artifacts on the